the reigning Miss Gay 2012. A big hand, please. Hello. Ang akong mga kandidato karong gabi una, dili mga gwapa. Karong gabi una, ako ang pinakagwapa. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. The girl standing in front of you, ang Julia Montes noon, ngayon, Jola Barreto. Bago ko pong iwan ang apat na tulok na entabladong ito, hayaan niyo pong iwan ko sa inyo ang kakagang virgin man ako noon, di na ngayon.
Risha! Nenay! 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 Yo!
Lucky are those who sing, who saw, and who will see me, for they have seen a humankind at its best. Good evening, ladies, gentlemen, I'm Warwick Dictator. The gorgeous lady standing in front of me is Miss Nicole Schmidt, 18 years of age, and I believe in the saying goes, that jealousy is a terrible sickness. So my co-candidate, get well soon. Beauty is a thing that cannot be changed by time. It is a thing that comes from within. Good evening, ladies, gentlemen, and spectators. The girl standing here in front of you is Miss Iya Villania. 18 years of young and having the height of 5'8". Iya Villania say that always smile to everyone because we didn't know there is someone who will fall in love with your smile. Maayong fiesta, Barangay Santa Cruz. is to put his footsteps on the moon? Well, my greatest dream is to become a beauty queen. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Marie Pauline de Bigua Lovellier, 18. Nag-iiwan sa katagang, never been touched, never been kissed, but totally damaged.
Friendship is always a sweet responsibility. Friendship without self-interest is one of the rare and beautiful things in life. But, on the contrary, many thoughts and notions that in this kind of competition, friendship must be set aside. In addition, many are called, but few are chosen. A pleasant evening to each and everyone. The lady boy standing here in front of you is 19 years of age. And got captured from the heart of Mr. Matt Evans. Miss Melissa Ricks. Melissa Ricks, do you believe that wearing a beautiful smile is the best makeup? Thank you.
Kung ang kabayo kusog mo dagan, ug ang eroplano kusog mo lupad, pero kaming mga bayot kusog mo tuwad. Magandang gabi po sa inyong lahat. Kung ang perlas ng karagatan ay matatagpuan sa gitna ng silangan, ang perlas sa kagandahan ay nasa inyong harapan. Mabuti pa ang ice cream ay nadidilaan, mabuti pa ang unan ay natatandayan, mabuti pa ang typewriter na taripan. Ako, kailan kaya ako madidilaan? Kailan kaya ako natatandayan? At kailan kaya ako natataypan para inyong magigiliwan? Ito po ang ex-girlfriend ni Dingdong Abansado, nag-iisang bomba queen na pinaggigiliwan ng mga lalaki na walang iba kung si Miss Ropa Mikinto. Wala po akong minghandog sa inyong lahat kundi ang aking matatamis ng ngiti na nagmumula sa mapupula akong labi. Sisikapin ko magsantunay na bakla sa isip, sa salita at sa gawa. Isang bansa, isang diwa, mabuhay kaming mga bakla, Bulaga!
Lagi yatay from the bayot.
Hello, Holy S. The Suprema Lex. And homosexual is never been a sin, nor a personal choice. Because we are living in this world of what we are supposed to be. Good evening, Santa Claus, and hail the Queen. Ne Maria Nicole Smith Vidal Carva Osoris Lopez. Ana Di Ayala Louie, 20 years of honor. And I in the heart of Mr. Agad Valenciano. Behold, ladies and gentlemen, because I stand by the name of Miss Rachel Ann Go. At naniniwala po ako sa kasabihang, manalo man po ako o matalo ngayong gabi na to, basta't dala-dala ko lang po ang matatamis ng ngiti at malalakas ng hilawan. Maraming salamat po at happy fiesta!